Hello guys and welcome back to another video. The Dominar 400 before the 2022 Touring Edition used to come with a pretty small windshield. That would cause a lot of wind resistance when you're going at higher speeds. So as a result, on long rides, it used to cause a lot of fatigue because of the wind blast. There are many companies out there that provide good aftermarket options for the windshield. Today I'm going to explore a very cheap option. Let's get started. So what we have here is the JB Racing from Autonity, seller on Amazon, windshield, and I have already got my number written on it as a sticker because the stock number plate holder doesn't fit it. It's not long enough to fit. So either you can get clamps for extension so that you can raise the visor a little bit, or you can just get it stickered on. So let's install it. What we need to do first is need to take a star head and open these 4 bolts. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So once the 4 bolts are open, your number plate with the holder can come off and your existing visor can also come off. I will see you back once I've opened them. The toolkit I am using is this Black & Decker all-in-one screwdriver kit. I purchased this kit around 2.5 years back while I was in Riyadh. It was much cheaper over there. So let's get to work. So I have opened the 4 screws and removed the number plate holder with the number plate. These are the 4 screws. I have been using a normal bicycle tube cut washer, which can be made by any one of you. You can just cut out a circle and then cut a circle in the middle and use it as a washer. So I have 4 of them, and the visor can come off. But what I am going to do is I am going to install this visor over that visor. So I will be having 2 visors. The reason I'm doing that is because of a rubber, or I should say foam padding, which is there right here, and if I put that one, then it causes a gap due to which water can go through, or it's not stable. So I'm going to install it over this. So guys, I have opened the smaller visor, and this is the foam I was talking about. It provides cushion to the visor and also blocks a bit of air which comes through the visor, thus reducing noise also. So I'm going to install the smaller visor and the bigger visor over this. One thing you need to keep in mind is these washers, just make sure they are not broken. They should be intact. If not, you can get the spare ones at the Bajaj service center and you will be fine. Let's install. So I have just put all the 4 screws in their place. All that is left to do is to tighten. And once you tighten it, the view will be something like this. So you have your old visor up here and your newer visor. I will give you the shots and 360 soon. So it has been close to 2 weeks and nearly 100 kilometers that I have fitted the JB Racing visor, and in the past 100 kilometers what I have faced is that up to speeds of nearly 100 the visor performs really well. It diverts the air off your chest and face and moves it to a correct spot on the helmet where the wind goes above your head. Shoulder buffeting is there at around 100, so at speeds of around 70 or 80 it's fine, but at speeds of around 100 shoulder buffeting starts a little bit, because it's not a very wide visor, so the air escapes from the side. But yes, up to speeds of 100 the helmet buffeting is great, and for the price it comes at, under rupees 400, I find it to be a really decent option. Yes, you can go for the carbon racing visor or the Louvier visor. They are really good, they perform really well, but if you're looking for something on a budget, then the JB Racing one, it's great. So apart from the visor, I have also installed Hella S90 horns. It's a dual tone horn system. One I have mounted on the default bracket, and the other one is mounted on the left hand side bottom radiator bolt. Wiring has been done internally, and there is a relay switch which is inside this cover, and the performance is really good. So do tell me in the comments about the horn. So if you like the video, do press the like button, and if you're not subscribed, you can definitely hit the subscribe button, and do share your comments down below. Ride safe, stay healthy.